What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Let's go for another pocket options season or journey, whatever you want to call it. And today I'm going to show you an update version of the 5 second strategy. So instead of being 5 seconds, we're going to change it to 10 seconds. And I also made some changes on the values that we're going to do. Trade number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So for this strategy, is a very low budget. All you need is 30.50 bucks. Okay. Let's call it 31. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to reset the demo account to 31 bucks. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to clear this one. So I'm going to say we're going to go up. So hopefully we'll lose. And then I'm going to add some funds. Okay, we're going to lose that one. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to add over here 31 bucks or 30.53, whatever. Okay. And that means you will have 4 shots to make your money back. Okay. So if you lose trade number 1, you go for trade number 2. If you lose 2, you go for the trade number 3. If you lose in trade number 3, you will have one less shot in the trade number 4. And if you win on the trade number 4, you will make your money back. Trade number 1, 2, and 3 plus $4 profit. Trade number 3, you make $3 profit. Trade number 2, you make $2 profit. And trade number 1, you make $1 profit. Okay. I decided to make it that way so it will not take long to make some money because previously yeah, I was playing more conservative and it would take a lot longer to make like $5. But with this way, you can make money real quick. So I've got 31 right now. So let's try to take this balance to let's call it let's call it I don't know. Let's give it one now. Let's give it 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Let's give the balance to 50 bucks. Okay. And it will go as follows. So we need to find a pair where it's about to break out. So for example, this one right here, it's all in your points. It's not really uptrend or downtrend, so it's not the best one. But seems like it's gonna have a breakout to the downside. So essentially we want the pair that it's on an uptrend, so we can see that this one is on the uptrend and is having a pullback. So this one, it had a pullback, it pumped, you had a pullback coming over here to the 50 SMA, and then once once the pullback finishes, we have this green candle. So that's the candle that you want to grab. Okay, that's the candle that you want to ride on, right? So because as you can see, usually the other candles they're not very strong. So let me show you another example if I can find it. Mm, 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 mm. So for example, this one we had a pullback, we have one candle there, and that was it. So this one potentially is not going to have a continuation to the upside, might be a good one. But yeah, it will work better. You will understand better once I start placing trades. If I can find a good one. All right, so let's check cryptocurrency. We know the market is dumping. You gotta be patient with these trades. See, if you don't have patience, if you don't have time, don't trade because you're gonna lose your patience and you're gonna lose your money. Right, so let's check the cryptocurrency. Okay, this one is dumping. Okay, this one we're gonna what's this? AE something. AED. Yeah, okay, this one is dumping. So if the reversal is true, we're gonna AED. If the reversal is true, we're gonna ride it up, okay? Because we're on the uptrend, right? So we are trading above the 50 SMA, so we are on the uptrend. So let's see what's gonna happen. Is this the candle that we're looking for? Potentially. So we can see that the momentum, the downwards momentum is shifting. It's slowly slowing down. And we're going to go up. We're going to play buy positions. So this candle is getting weak. It's touching the 50 SMA, as you can see. This next candle might be a green one. We're going in. Okay, we got in. We got in on the second one, but when we got in, the price pumped. So we won the first one and we won the second one. So look at the balance, 35 bucks. So that means we just made $4 right there, $4. And that wasn't the candle. So the candle is the pump candle. That wasn't a pump candle. I thought that would be a pump candle, but it didn't work out. So we're still waiting to see a continuation to the upside. So let's see. It might not happen, it might not continue to go up. But if this is just a pullback, potential will come to the 50 SMA, reverse, and continue. But over here we can see these small candles. You can see a slow momentum here. And I thought the next ones would be green and have a continuation to the upside. But this one is red. If this one is red again, we're going to see a continuation to the downside, which is not what we're expecting. So in that case, if it doesn't work as you expect, you might as well leave it alone, okay? Because at any time the price can reverse on you and then you will get burned. So yeah, it didn't play as expected. I was expecting to come around here to the 50 SMA and then do a U-turn, but it didn't work out so far. And this strategy only works on the pairs OTC. So the real pairs do not work because the minimum um, trade time is 1 minute. And keep in mind, so if you click, for example, on this one right here, is not OTC, the time will change to 1 minute. So keep that in mind, all right? So you will have to come back and change it back to 10 seconds. Because let's say you're gonna place a trade and you think it's 10 seconds, but you ended up being 1 minute. You're gonna be like, damn. And that happened to me, by the way. Okay, seems like it's reversing, and that's a strong candle there. Okay, this looks good, but we might be a bit too late. USD card, USD card. That's the candle that we wanted to catch. We might be a bit too late. Let's see. Okay, it's pulling up. It's on a consolidation area here. But yeah, it feels like it's gonna ride it down because we're on a downtrend, clearly on a downtrend. So we're waiting for the pull up so we can ride it down. Let's see. We're gonna try to catch the next trade, next candle. I mean, in. So we got in on that one. So if the price goes up, okay, the price is in two minds. If the price goes up, damn it. If the price goes up, like I was about to say, above that our entry and we are going down, we place the second trade. So we lost the trade number one and trade number two. So now we're gonna go for the trade number three and potentially trade number four. We're still going down because we still believe the price will go down. So we place an entry there. And seems like that was a good entry because it was right on top. And okay, we made our 30, yeah, 38. Okay, we made our money back. So 38. So we already got this candle. So this is the dump candle. And we already made money on this trade. So I usually leave it alone. Look for the next opportunity. Okay, this one hasn't dumped yet. So this might be a good one. USD COP. Let's see if we can catch it. USD COP. Even though it's, well, this is not a clear downtrend. So that's why the candles are weak. It's not a clear downtrend. So we're gonna leave that one alone. Let's look for another opportunity. And by the way, guys, you might be wondering why not playing with real money. Before I go into real money, I want to test the waters. I want to test the strategy as much as possible. Okay. And my goal is to take this 31 bucks to 1,000 bucks. So once I reach 1,000 bucks, I know that I've tested enough. I've tested enough because, go from 31 to 1,000, it will take me a lot of sessions. And I want to test as much as possible, learn as much as possible with this strategy, and also reading charts and everything. And then once I reach the 1,000 bucks over here, I will then go with real money. It's just 31 bucks. That's it. You know, 31 bucks. If I lose 31 bucks, so be it. I'll try next week. See, this one is still in 2 months, slowly going down, but because the price is not really a strong trend, it's in 2 months right there. Right, so now is the time that we just don't have anything else to trade. So we always go with the trends. So this one we had a pullback. It didn't go all the way to the 50 SMA. There you go. That's a nice dump there. It didn't go all the way to the 50 SMA. So no, never mind. Let's see. And by the way, guys, this strategy and these figures, they work best with pairs of 92%. Okay. So if you're going to trade, always try to get the 92%. If you get like pairs 90, 91% or 89, yeah, go for it. But best to maximize your profits is 92%. Okay, so he made what, $7 in 12 minutes. That's more than 10%. Than 10%. Then 5%. Let's say 3, 6. That's 3, 6. That's about 2.5%, something like that. 2.5%. No, that's more than 2.5%. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Um, let's see if we can catch another one to write it up or down, so I can keep demonstrating so you can fully understand how this strategy works. So essentially, you place an entry, and if the price, so let's say you place sell, if the price goes above your entry, you place another trade in a second chart. And if the price keeps going above your a second chart, you will then have to assess, is is it going to dump or is it going to actually going up? Okay. And if the price keeps going up, you don't enter no more. You just lose those trades and call it off. Wait for the next opportunity. But if you feel like the price is in 2 minds and most likely it's going to go down, then you place the third trade and potentially the fourth trade. But always assess the charts. Okay. That's why I only like to play with strong trends. So this one is a strong trend. We can see that is going down. Okay, let's see if we can catch this one. Catch. Did we play this one? I think we did. Yeah, we got this one. USD card. Yeah, 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 yeah. USD card. Yeah, we got this one. There you go. So we're back here again. So let's see if now it's gonna crank up or um, have a continuation to the downside. So we can extend this one and say this is an area of interest. Okay, the price reacts to this area. So if the price breaks above this area, then we'll have a breakout to the upside. But if the price breaks below, then we can say we're gonna have a continuation to the downside, right there, something like that, okay? Because it actually coincides with the previous low right here. We formed this low, found support, pumped, and then broke below this support all the way down, and we found support. We can see that we got double bottom right here. So double bottom usually represents then a reverse in the trend and continuation to the upside, okay? But you might have a triple bottom, who knows? So let's see what's gonna happen. And sometimes it might take 5 minutes for the trade to develop. You just gotta be patient. That's why you need to trade with time. Okay, seems like it's gonna be a breakout to the downside. We're going in. So we placed the trade there. So let's see. Okay, there you go. There you go. Seems like we got that one in the bag. Okay, 39 bucks. So we got the breakout. See, we got the breakout to the downside. So it's gonna have a continuation to the downside. We already placed our trade, so from here I can just leave it alone because we got a long wick here. Battery is running low. We got a long wick here, and seems like it's going to go back to the area, this area right here, before we have a continuation to the downside. So we might be able to catch another candle. Let's see if we can do that. So we are 11 bucks away to the target, which is 50 bucks. So let's see if we can reach 50 bucks in 30 minutes. Yeah, the price is a bit weak, so I might just leave it alone. Let's look for the next opportunity. Again, place 1, 2 trades on that pair, and then once the breakout is done, then move along to the next one. Okay, polka dots. Uh, polka dots, we might still be able to catch it. Polka dots. Okay, polka dots. You can see they came over here to the 50 SMA, and now it's pumping, but we already missed this one and missed this one. So this one might be a red candle. As you can see, the momentum is getting weak. So that's why I'm saying when the price comes over here or is getting, you see that the price is coming towards the 50 SMA, be alert because from here we might see a reverse. Okay. And catching this candle here or this one, that would be the great opportunity because now you can see the momentum is shifting. So you might come over here to the 50 SMA to test it before either a continuation to the upside or a downside. But this is a strong uptrend, as you can see, strong uptrend, and it coincides with the previous high right here, right there. So we could say something like this. So this is an area of interest right there, something like this. We could say the price reacts to this area. Price reacts to this area, okay? So from here, we just gotta wait now. If the price breaks below this area, then most likely we will lose the support and have a continuation to the downside. But if the price breaks above this area, we still have the support of this area and we're going to have a continuation to the upside. We are in a strong uptrend, as you can see. So I'm thinking that we're going to have a continuation to the upside. But if the price struggles to break this zone, then most likely it's going to be the reverse and we're going to go down. So it's just a moment of truth, moment of waiting to see what actually is going to happen. And again, it might take a few minutes to see this thing develop. It could just go sideways inside this box for a while until it breaks out of it. As you can see, it's just going up and down, up and down, up and down. Yeah, going up, going down, going up, going down. And yeah, the real opportunity was here. This candle or this candle right here. Every time you see the candles getting closer to the 50 SMA, that's when you gotta pay attention and take advantage of it. Okay, seems like this is gonna have a continuation to the upside for the looks of it. But the price is still in two minds. But I'm willing to give it a shot. Okay, we got a few green candles. Whoa, whoa. Right, so we lost the opportunity on this one. So let's wait for the next one. Let's check the stocks. Facebook. Okay, this one is on a downtrend. It's coming closer to the 50 SMA, but because we're on a downtrend and it's trading above the 50 SMA, I don't trade. Okay, Polkadot seems like it's ranking down. Okay, looks like it's going to be a breakout to the downside for the looks of it. Let's see, he's going to poke out this area. Yeah, and for the looks of it, it's going to be a downtrend, a reverse in the trend. And I'm going to try to catch the ride. Next trade, next candle might be the opportunity. Okay, we're going in. So we place the trade there. We place the second trade because we might lose the first trade. Ooh, is he still going to go up? We place the third trade. And we got the fourth trade. Let's see. We might not need it. Okay. Oh, damn it. Sheen. I was about to say, okay, we got it. But on the last second, he pumped up. Ah, damn it. What a bad luck. What a bad luck. On the last second, he pulled up. He got us there. And that tricked me because I thought it would have a continuation to the downside. I thought this kind of would pump up and go down. So, yeah, it didn't quite happen that way. As you can see, because we're in a strong uptrend, I thought these three candles would be a sign that the trend is shifting and we're going to go down. So we are down by a lot. So we got this shot right here on the fourth chart. Let's see. So if we win this chart right here, we will make our money back. So let's see what's going to happen. I still believe that this is going to be a breakout to the downside. But yeah, price is just in two minds, so it might take a while to develop. Did you have another one in mind here? Okay, this one we don't have a clear trend here, so I'm going to leave it. But yeah, Polkadot picked us there. Alibaba, okay, we're on an uptrend, so Alibaba, we might have a pump up. Is this the candle that's going up? Let's have a look. If not this one, it's going to be the next one. As you can see, the momentum stopped. We got the green candle. So next one might be a green candle too, going up, and we're going to go with the trend. Okay, we are in. Seems like it's going to be a winner. And that was a winner. So we made our money back. So 43 bucks there. So look, we lost these three, boom, 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 but we won the fourth chart. So we made all the money back plus extra $4 profit. Okay, because we had, well, 30 something, 38, I think, 38, 39, something like that. We made $4 profit there. And like I said to you, this candle, the first or second candle are the best candles to catch. Okay, there you go. Polka dot is finally cranking down. So we're just $7 away to reach the target, which is $50. Polka dots. There you go. Still having, still there, still fighting. Still fighting this goddamn polka dot. But yeah, we're gonna leave it alone because it's just messy. We got 5 minutes, so let's see if we can make this $7 in 5 minutes. So I hope by now you get an understanding about how the trade works. Okay, this one might be okay, but I don't like to trade with CHF. It's just a messy, it's always a messy chart. Polkadot changed his mind, it's going up. Yeah, it's just a messy chart. I'm just looking for another trade. AUD card. This might be a good one. But candles are very small. So I'm gonna skip it because it might not have enough momentum there. Okay, not much is happening right now, guys, unfortunately. So if this was real money, I would call it a day by now. Because from 31 to 43, that's $12. Okay, that's 1/3 of the initial balance. So 1/3, that's like 33%, 33% gains of your initial balance. So I would definitely call it a day. But yeah, we don't see many opportunities right now. Just a bunch of messy charts. Okay, this one is on a downtrend. It came down, pumped. So this one might be a trend shift. Johnson. Okay, let's see if we can capitalize on this one. I think this was the candle. If not, this one's going to be the next one. We can see a shift in trend. Let's see what happens. Hmm. Because we're on a downtrend, you can see the downtrend. The trend is slowly changing. So from here, you might consolidate a little bit. We can see that this previous high is not, so this high right here is not that higher than the previous one. But this low is higher than the previous low. So slowly the price is creeping up, creeping up. We can actually say this, not this. We can actually say trend line, two trend lines there. You can say like this, something like this. You can say the price will trade within these two lines. So if that's true, then the price will come over here slightly higher and then get rejected, come down, up, down, down, until the new trend is formed. And then once we are on the uptrend, we might have good pumps. Until then, it might take a while for this trade to develop. It's going up, but it might take a while. So let's move on. Let's see if we can find another one. Okay, Alibaba. Did you trade Alibaba? Alibaba. Alibaba. Okay. Alibaba, looking over here, we clearly on the uptrend. So let's see. He's doing higher highs, clearly, and he's doing higher lows. At least he was. So let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, there we go. Got the pump here. I missed it while I was doing this. So let's see if we can catch the next candle. So if the trend is true and the price continues to go up, then we're gonna buy. So let's see. But because you got double wicks here, can be tricky. Hey, Alibaba. Why we got two? Oh, one is OTC, the other one is not OTC. Okay, it's coming back to this line. So let's see what happens if it forms a new low and have a continuation to the downside. It might just reverse and go down. Yeah, it does. The buyers are not strong here, so we might just have a breakout to the downside. So instead of buying, we're going to sell. There you go. This is a very bearish candle, very bearish push. So let's see if it's just the push, just the wick, and then goes up, or we're going to have a continuation to the downside. Seems like that was just a wick, so we might still able to buy. But the momentum still weak. Okay, this is going to go down. Definitely going to go down. So we place an entry there. Another there. Let's wait and see. So we lost the first trade. We got the second one, so 45. But yeah, like I said, this going down. That's why I play sell positions. Because he's breaking below the trend. So he's not forming higher lows anymore. So from here, then I think that it's going to go down. Because now it's trading below the 50 SMA and he's not forming the pattern no more. He's outside the pattern. And again, we already trade on this one. I was expecting this one to go up. It's not. Well, it might happen now. This is a very bullish candle. Okay, okay. Let's see. Well, let's see. Wasn't expecting this very bullish candle. Let's see. Seems like it's gonna finally crank up. Nah, nah. Seems like it's gonna go down, but we already placed the trade on that one. Is the price price chart is very indecisive, so we just move on. John Johnson, okay, John Johnson supposed to go up, but he's not going up, so we might catch this ride. John Johnson. Let's place an entry there. Second there. The beauty of this is if the price keeps pushing down and if you score the two trades, then we make more than $2 profit. So we scored on that one. So we made $2 profit. But if we won the first trade as well, we made $3 profits. because we would have won the first and the second. So over here we make $2 profit, and over here we make one. So that would be $3 profit. So yeah, this one I thought it would go down, but it's not going down. Seems like we got lucky. Alibaba, Alibaba is going. So it seems like it's going to consolidate before it goes up. So let's go back to Alibaba. But he has too many wicks. Okay, trend is our friend. So we're going to go with the trend. The trend right now is up, but it's consolidating a lot. So it might take a while for this thing to crank up to the upside. Even though it broke a little bit below this line, it's still forming, still going up, right? But this might change, and it might take a while for us to take the trade. So we're just gonna move along. So let's see if we can find. So we got $3 to make to reach the $50 mark. So let's make those trades and let's get out of here. And tomorrow I'll come back for more. We'll try to take the balance to $75. Again, my whole idea is test this thing as much as possible. Oh, body's running low. Test as much as possible in demo modes, and then once I'm comfortable and confident that I know what I'm doing and I know how everything goes, I will then go live with real funds. $31. That's all. That's all. You know, if I lose $31, it's not going to make a huge difference in my pocket. All right, so just looking for a pair. Yep. Okay, this one is what. Right, so this one is clearly on a downtrend. So let's see if we can catch this one. This might be the candle. Let's see. We're a bit late for this candle. So usually try to place a trade between 25 and uh, 10 seconds. So within that range. So because after that, the price will go, but usually goes back to the middle. That's what I've been saying. So try to place the kind of trade between that time frame. Okay, this one I thought this dodgy kind of would be a reverse, but it's pumping a little bit more. But okay, 10 seconds. So we're gonna wait for the next candle. And next candle potentially is gonna be a red one. It might be the candle that we want to place a trade. We're going in. Whoop, we pumped up. Let's see. We're going in. It's not going up. It's not going down. I mean, that was a fake out. It's not going up. It's not going down. I mean, so yeah, it's not going down with this one. So let's wait for the next one because it's still on the downtrend. So let's wait. Let's wait on this one. So we might trade on the next one. If this one ends up red, we might trade on the next one. So you're gonna go for the third chart. Or might not go down at all. Might be just a reversing trend and have a continuation to the upside. Okay. Okay. If this one ends up to be a very bearish candle, we're gonna place a trade on the next one. Yeah, signal is getting weak, momentum is getting weak. Mm, so you want it to go down. Okay, we're in. We're getting ready for the fourth trade if we have to. Ah, we lost that one. So we're on the fourth trade and it pumped up. So we're gonna lose this one too. Okay. Unfortunately, it pumped up. Unfortunately, this is a chart where it's just very unpredictable because the price is in two minds here. So let's try again. But because we made profits, we didn't lose much. We lost that one. Yeah, it's just not playing ball. Okay, we won that one. We might win this one. Oh, damn it. Right on the last minute. 2 points. Yeah, it's just not playing ball at all. And as you can see, this is a very clear example how things can go badly wrong. Okay, this is a very bearish candle. We won the... Oh, damn it. This is a crazy chart. Okay, we won the first and the second. As you can see, things can go badly wrong very, very fast. So keep that in mind. Damn. Okay, it's finally cranking down. Where's the trade? It's right here. It's finally cranking down. Okay, let's see if we can catch it. This was the one, but it's still pushing, so we might continue to go down, or maybe not. I was getting ready to sell. Right, so now because our balance is 14, so we can only place 3 trades. Yeah, it's not going down after all. And this is what's called overtrading. Okay, this one, yeah, definitely didn't go. Okay, this one might be good. Might be good. Going up. We're gonna catch next candle. So we think that it's gonna go up. That's it. We got the first one. And potentially the second one. Yeah, cool. We got those two. That's a beautiful pump. So we made some money back, but we're still down. So we made our money back. Well, some money. But I believe by now you get the idea, right? Okay, okay. Card JPY. Card JPY. So this one, we're gonna wait for the next candle. Card JPY. This chart looks very messy, but we're gonna test the waters. We got some weak signal here. Okay. It's not doing what I was expecting to do. We might have a continuation to the upside. Yeah, I was expecting to go down like a proper dump. Okay, so actually, it might go down. There you go. There you go. Mm. So we missed this candle because it was green, and then I start looking for something else. But it might continue. So we're in. We got two trades there. We might win them all. So another $3. That's it. So 22. So let's see. We're in. Let's see if we can catch another ride. We're in. Okay, we got the first one. That was a loss. We're in. We don't have funds for this fourth trade, so it might go again with this third chart. But seems like we're gonna score it. Cool. So we made our money back. So we close to our initial balance. And I think this one still have room to go down because we're clearly in a strong downtrend. So we still have legs to continue to go down. So I could have tried these two charts. Chart number 3, chart number 4. So 27, 30. Yeah, I do have the funds. So to try to make some money back. So this one we already placed the trade. So let's see. Well, let's find the charts. I'm going to play the chart number 3 and chart number 4 in order to try to recoup the funds. So if I win the chart number 3, chart number 4, then we're going to be in profits. Let's try cryptocurrencies. Still going down, still got room to go down. But we already placed the trade, so it can be risky. Okay, Alibaba. Let's leave it alone. This one, FedEx. Candles are sort of small. We didn't have much pumps, so no thanks. And look, nice dump. Nice dump there. Oh, this is not OTC. Okay, I wanted to do 1 hour, half an hour, and then we're already 48 minutes. So I'm gonna place these two trades. And we out of here. Chart number 3 and 4. Well, chart number 3 at least. Chart number 4, if we have to. Okay, this one is not really a strong trend. Not much is going on right now. Not much is going on right now. Okay, this one we can see is consolidating right here. We might have a breakout to the downside. Can say this is an area of interest right there. Which one is this one? Tron. This is an area of interest. So we are looking to sell because we are below the 50 SMA and the price is actually consolidating and potentially is going to be a reverse and shifting the trend. So let's see if we can capitalize on this one. So we're going to use the chart number 3 and chart number 4 if needed. So we're going to go all in with these two charts. But if we score those two plays, then we make good money. We essentially make $7. Okay, it's pumping up. So next kind of might be a pump down. Okay, this one right here, CAD JPY, is coming to test the 50 SMA again. We might switch to that one because we might get a nice ride. So let's, damn it. Because this one, Tron, it might take a while to go down, but CAD JPY is going down. CAD JPY. Okay, we might be a bit too late because the dump already started. This was the candle to catch. It touched the 50 SMA as you can see and got rejected. Let's see what happens. Let's place a trade there. Another one. Ooh. If you win those two, that would be cool. So $17 there. Ooh. $51. Ooh, we're back in business. And yeah, that was a risky play, but I was comfortable to lose the money, even though this is a dummy money. In the real world, with real money, I would be comfortable to lose it all because, like I said, it's just $31. It's not $3,000. It's not $300. It's just $31. It will take me just a few hours to make their money back. 2 hours to make their money back. Okay, working, of course. Yeah, we had a bumpy ride, as you can see, it goes up and down. But by now, I believe that you get the idea. So it made 51.81. So the next time that I play, so we made $20, $20 profit. Um, on the next session, I will try to take the balance to $75. $75. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you got any questions, let me know in the comment box below. I'll be happy to help you out. Peace.